Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I've got an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I've partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down in the description and deposit $100, it really helps out the channel and it's basically free money, so there's no reason not to do it. Check that out down below and sign up. You'll come to this page here. You click register to claim. It takes literally like 2 minutes to sign up. If you deposit the $100, you don't even have to use it. You can just deposit it on the platform and withdraw it at a later time. You will have completed the task and you can claim the airdrop voucher and use it on any one of these pairs here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Pepe, Dogecoin, etc. I personally took advantage of this because I did think it was a great opportunity. I've got a 3x leverage long currently running on Dogecoin, and if it goes up and hits $1, which I think it probably will in this bull market because it is a bit of a magnet for it, near the all-time highs, I think I'll make around 15k from this position on a free trading position. That is absolutely insane price action, so definitely worth going and checking out for those who want to get into the market basically without any risk, because if the trade does go into a loss, they do basically cover the loss for you. So absolutely insane opportunity. Make sure to go and get involved with that down below. So we're taking a look at Polygon then on our daily time frame. As we can see, continuing to chop around at this support area. As you can see on the charts, huge bullish divergences at the lows in a big area of demand. Not much supply in this area in my estimation at all. I do think this is gearing up for a big reversal, to be honest. Lots of cryptos in the market looked similar to this a few months ago and then reversed. Polygon a bit more under the cosh than maybe a lot of things have been, but you can clearly see on the charts here that we are getting a nice potential reversal pattern starting to form here. You can see we've obviously had our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside that all of our altcoins have been having. Very, very clean on the charts there. We obviously got that big Burj Khalifa type break and come back inside of our range, filling our wick at the lows here. Another break of the resistance, and now we've come back down to support again where we are consolidating. In my opinion, Bitcoin looking really, really strong today, like it does want to break to the upside. A quick look at the Bitcoin chart will tell you that. As you can see here, this is looking really, really bullish. We've actually broken high with higher highs and higher lows. And in my opinion, if we get a break of this resistance, heading up anywhere towards that 70k area, we are going to be looking at a really nice move for Bitcoin and the whole wider altcoin market getting some more relief off of its lows, especially Polygon, which hasn't really moved yet at all. Looking like we're getting into a really nice area of demand at this point. You can see we came down, pretty much filled our bear market range low area, just like a lot of cryptos have, which have been smashed down more than, you know, your average crypto. Solana, etc. holding really strong, but a lot of these older cryptos, Polygon, have been smashed down quite considerably. I think Filecoin is looking very similar to this. Polkadot looking similar to this. Cardano not quite as bad, but similar as well. Overall, you can see bouncing at this support here again after being under this intense resistance for a while, but in my opinion, looking like there's a lot of open sky for this to reverse back into. Currently sitting at around 37 cents. This could easily be heading back up towards $1 over the next few months if Bitcoin does break out. Right now, we're basically just waiting and seeing what's going to happen next, but in my opinion, looking much more likely to be heading up than down from this position. Overall, I think this is looking like it's going to be reversing pretty soon. Bullish price action for Bitcoin is looking promising, and obviously this is looking like it's not even moved yet, and it will start moving when altcoins do get that inevitable pump to the upside. Right now we're just chilling and waiting for that to happen. Make sure to get a trading bot from the description below. Sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below as well. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100, as I've said. Or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, Alpha X down below in the description as well. And like and subscribe for more.